Good morning. We're here with another What's New Wednesday update this morning.
We have more new materials to share with you today. This week in new materials, B.B. Alston has a new juvenile novel titled Amari and the Night Brothers. Amari is told by friends, family, and complete strangers that her missing brother is gone for good, but when she finds evidence of the secretive Bureau of Supernatural Affairs, she decides she'll expand her search with the help of magic. This Will Be Funny Someday by Katie Henry. This is a young adult novel about a 16-year-old who stumbled into an open mic night at a comedy club and loves it. The comedy scene loves her too, but she's juggling normal high school life and the late night life. Till Murder Do Us Part by James Patterson is a new true crime collection. Patterson explains that he is most often inspired by real-life events and has compiled a couple that fans of his fiction may find especially thrilling. These stories are part of the Investigation Discovery series, so watch the show as well if you're interested. And last we have Kamala's Way, An American Life. It's a new biography by Morain about our new vice president. A seasoned journalist, Morain gives us a look at how the daughter of immigrants came to her political heights. And for those a little younger, we also have Who is Kamala Harris by Kirsten. That'll be great for kids interested in today's inauguration.
These items and the rest of our collection are available through curbside service. You can place a hold on our online catalog, or you can call us to reserve your items and schedule a pickup appointment.
We still have take-home craft kits to offer as well. We give away kits weekly for our youngest patrons and monthly for elementary, middle, and high school students.
You can register at the link in the description to receive those kits, but you only need to sign up once to receive these kits. If you have registered to pick them up at any point since August, you are already on the list and you won't need to register again.
We also have monthly surprise activity kits for adults. We have a different registration process for those kits, so follow us on social media for more details when registration opens each month.
And finally, we have an extra kit going out the first week of February on a first-come, first-served basis. Our Black History Month kits are designed for elementary students, but are also suitable for preschool and high school. And those kits will be available at Harbor Memorial while supplies last.
We are also working on some additional ideas for the future. We are continuing to avoid in-person programming for now for health and safety reasons, but we are in the planning phases for some virtual programs.
For example, we're now working out the final details for a virtual murder mystery party to take place soon. We think that's going to be a lot of fun, so we're really excited about it. We're hoping to open sign-ups for that event possibly as early as next week, so watch our social media channels for more details to come.
And of course, we'll be back here every Wednesday morning with more information about all of our upcoming events, giveaways, and more. We also have a Throwback Thursday video we'll be sharing tomorrow, so make sure you check that out.
That's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us again this morning, and have a great week.